When we say Indian literature, we don't just mean books. We mean the voices of a nation finding itself, right? So, from R.K. Narayan's Malgudi Street to Girish Karnad's mythic stages, Indian writers told stories of who we were, who we are, and who we are still becoming. And guess what? These 20 novels and dramas never stop appearing in UGC net year after year. So, this video is going to be very important for your upcoming examination UGC net December 2025. Why? Because it is very important, and if you have solved the PYQ of at least 10 years, you might be knowing how important these particular Indian writers are. So without any delay, let's get started. Top 20 novels and dramas in Indian English literature that is the most repeated PYQs for UGC Net English. So let's get started. The roots. Early Indian English fiction. Let's begin where it all started. So if you don't know who R.K. Narayan is, you might not be knowing what Indian literature means. He has given a lot of, famous novels, and the guide is one among them. So in guide there is a small town tourist guide called Raju. He becomes a spiritual figure. Earlier he was not a spiritual figure, he was just doing a job of the guide, but in the series of events he becomes a spiritual figures, and then they pray for the rain. And do let me know in the comment section what happens to him at the last. Did बारिश होती है और वो जिंदा रहता है या मर जाता है? ठीक है, डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन इफ यू नो इट ओके. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट थीम्स, इन द थीम्स वर ऑलवेज आस्क्ड दैट रिडेम्पशन, irony and Indian spirituality. PYQ, who is Royce in the guide? A dancer, symbol of female and freedom. Okay. The second one is Mulkraj Anand, again a very famous and UGC net favorite. He is UGC net favorite. A lot of question asks from this particular novelist. Untouchable, the story of Bakha, a sweeper boy. If you talk about the themes, so basically if you talk about the themes in Indian literature, it will always be caste, dignity, social reforms, irony, myth, superficial. Okay. UGC asked about the social realism, who is the Anand is a pioneer. Then Raja Rao Kantapura, everybody knows this, and in June 2025 also there was a lot of questions from this, and in January also there was a lot of question from Kantapura. The date, the themes have always been asked. In this you will be seeing the Gandhian movement seen through the eyes of a South Indian village. Okay, themes, if you talk about the themes, nationalism, oral tradition and myth, often novel of India, freedom struggle, questions are seen. Now we come to the golden era, the mid 20th century classics. After independence, Indian fiction became the introspective. Who are we now? Means they are questioning on the very identity of own. Okay, who are we? So Kushwant Singh, Train to Pakistan, again very famous partition literature. He has talked about the partition, कैसे जब लोग अलग होते हैं अपने लोग से बिछड़ते हैं, and there is a great example of Gaddar you can see in that. Human compassion and amid violence. Famous PYQ, Jugut Singh and Iqbal are the characters in which novel? Okay. Now Anita Desai again, Cry the Peacock, very famous work. Psychological fiction, loneliness and alienation are the themes that can be seen in particular work. UGC loves her for stream of conscious technique. So make sure whenever you are finding the next question, you are doing it. Now Kamla Markandia, Nectar and a Sieve. A lot of question has been asked in the match of the following. तो अगर आप match of the following कर रहे हो और कमला मरकांडिया आपको दिख गई, तो Nectar and a Sieve is a famous work. A rural women's struggle against poverty and modernization. Themes इसका क्या है? Resilience, faith and tragedy. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. अरुण जोशी, द फॉरेनर, बहुत बहुत अच्छा वर्क है. वी हैव रेड दिस इन आर ग्रेजुएशन, अ लॉट, वेरी हार्ट टचिंग स्टोरी. इसमें एलिनेशन और एग्जिस्टेंशियलिज्म दिखाता है अर्बन इंडिया में कैसा था. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द यूजीसी नेट पीवाईक्यू, मॉडर्न इंडियन एक्सेंशियलिस्ट फिक्शन के बारे में बात होता है, तो अरुण जोशी इज ऑलवेज देयर. ओके. Now we move to the modern voices. Then came a generation that looked at India globally with what? With irony, with satire and power. Now if we move the modern voices, we are seeing the Salman Rushdie, Midnight's Children, again a very famous work from the point of UGC net. Magic realism meets post-independence India. Selim Sinai, born at midnight 1947, his life mirrors the nation. ये एक ड्रीम कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस है और ड्रीम में ये सारा कुछ हो रहा होता है. मैजिक रियलिज्म वेयर मैजिक मीट्स रियलिज्म, एंड बुकर प्राइज भी मिला है इस वर्क को 1981, एंड दिस इज द मोस्ट रिपीटेड पोस्ट कॉलोनियल क्वेश्चन इन द इंडियन लिटरेचर. मेक श्योर यू रीड द समरी. जो भी वर्क आपको बता रहे हैं उसका समरी आप पढ़ो, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ये. ठीक है. देन द अरुंधति रॉय, द गॉड ऑफ स्मॉल थिंग्स. अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस हैज बीन आस्क्ड. केरला, कास्ट, लव, ट्रॉमा, अगेन अ बुकर प्राइज 1997. So these are the very small things. See why it is important. See बुकर प्राइज मिला है, बुकर प्राइज मिला है, और ये जो themes है, मैजिक रियलिज्म, कास्ट, लव, ट्रॉमा, these are the themes that makes it different from the rest of the works. Okay. Now we move to the again the question. If you talk about the question, the twins Rahel and Istha belongs to which novel? So you can find it. Now Amitav Ghosh, very famous, The Shadow Lines, and also Calcutta Chromosome, his famous work. So if you see the memory, identity, borders, nationalism, these are the particular questions from Indian literature and from Amitav Ghosh, who wrote a novel based on the idea of imaginary boundary. So it is Amitav Ghosh. So these all question has been asked in the UGC net. So it is very important for you. Now Kiran Desai, The Inheritance Loss, again very important work. Post-colonial migration, class conflict, and globalization. See, once you understand the themes, no, it's very easy for you to recognize, even if you don't know the exact date or the title. If themes are known, it's very easy to find it. So you have to know the bonus point. Okay, again, this is a Booker Prize winner daughter. She is a daughter of Anita Desai, those don't know. Then Jhumpa Lahiri, The Namesake, again it is a very interesting story, and a movie is also based on this has been made. Okay, then Diaspora and Identity crisis admin scene. Then Indian American voice and immigrant theme is very evident in The Namesake. Then Vikram Seth, A Suitable Boy, if you talk about love, politics, post-independence India, in the largest single volume novel in English. So again it is very important. Now we move to Indian English drama. So now let's move from novels to the stage. Okay, Indian drama was just the entertainment, but it was the sole reflection and the revolution of the period. Okay, so Girish Karnad, a very talented person, he has written Tughlaq, it is a historical play. Idealism turning into tyranny. So again, this is very interesting, and a lot of times UGC Net has asked the question in the match of the following: which Indian play uses historical allegory for Nehru's era? It is Tughlaq. Then Vijay Tendulkar, Silence, the court is in the session. So it exposes the hypocrisy and patriarchy of that particular time period, and UGC loves his realistic feminist drama. So again, it is very important. Make sure you know the characters, themes. Then Badal Sirkar, Ivam Indrajit, existential absurdist play. The themes are the meaningless urban life. Okay, Mahesh Dattani, Dance Like a Man, gender roles, generation, conflict, art versus ambition. So बहुत सारा इसमें चीज़ है कि जो आपको अंडरस्टैंड करना पड़ेगा कि जनरल रोल्स भी आ रहा है इंडिया में. ठीक है, इंडियाज़ फर्स्ट ओपनली गे प्ले राइट. तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. अभी अगर आप देखोगे तो कुछ ईयर्स से in recent years that they have been talking about LGBTQT, then they are asking about the gay community, they are asking about the lesbians, they are asking about the transgender. So अगर आपको कहीं भी एक hint मिलता है तो make sure you make a separate copy for it and do write it. Okay. Then Mohan Rakesh, Aadhe Adhure, Halfway House, Fragmented Family Identity, Middle Class Crisis. Which Indian drama depicts the disintegration of the family? It is Aadha Adhure. Okay, Mohan Rakesh. Now we move to the contemporary voice that we should be knowing it. Chetan Bhagat, 5 Point Someone, not literary classics but appears in new age Indian English questions. UGC may ask about the popular fiction trends. अभी तो बहुत सारे मूवीज़ के बारे में भी दे आस्क, तो बहुत ज़्यादा अगर आपको कुछ पता है तो यू शुड बी नोइंग. तो सबको पता ही है. ठीक है. देन शशि देशपांडे, दैट लॉन्ग साइलेंस, इसमें फीमेल आइडेंटिटी के बारे में बात किया गया है. साइलेंस एंड मार्शल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, एंड ही हैज ऑफन यूज्ड फॉर द फेमिनिस्ट एंड साइकोलॉजिकल फिक्शन एनालिसिस. एंड दैट वाज योर जर्नी फ्रॉम Baka's Broom in the Untouchable to the Tughlaq's Throne, from Rosie's Dance, the guides to Rahel's Tears in the God of the Small Things. So these aren't just the exam topics, they are the India's mirror, how it was at that period of the time, before independence, after independence, the general equality, caste, creed, and what not. Okay, so if you master these 20 novels and dramas, you will be ready for any Indian literature question that comes in UGC net paper 2. Why? Because you will be aware of the themes, you will be aware of the PYQs, and on basis of that you can encounter the questions in the examination. So which Indian writers do you feel connected to? R.K. Narayan, simplicity, or Arundhati Roy, intensity? So at last I would just say Indian literature is not a genre, it's a heartbeat written in English. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share with your friends, those who are preparing for UGC net, and subscribe for more such UGC net content. Okay, and yes, do let me know in the comment section which is your favorite dramatist and the favorite drama. Till then, keep learning, keep shining. Bye bye.